Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord 2T, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications. From here, expand it and locate the toggle. Now for me it is on the second page. So once you find it right here, you want to, first time around, hold it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize how it functions. So here we have the toggle, you can set up a schedule, and then we have exceptions for basically who can bypass and what can bypass the mode when it's enabled, along with ring for repeated callers and silent media when Do Not Disturb mode is on. So once you go through the settings and customize them to your liking, you can close this, and whenever you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode manually, can simply press on it, and there we go, it is now active. Now if you want to have it run every day at a specific time, just set up a schedule and make sure that the schedule itself is enabled right here, like so. And as you can see, there is one pre-made, so this one is for sleep, starts at 10 p.m. ends at 7 a.m. So with that being enabled now, it will automatically turn on and off at the given time. So anyway, this is basically how we can set up and use your Do Not Disturb mode, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.